Dr. Nicole with Healing Hands and Manahawkin, and today I want to talk to you about one of the most beautiful things that your body does, and that is healing. Your body is smart. Say it with me. My body is smart. Your body is a genius. It knows exactly what to do. It knows exactly when to do it, right? And your body is constantly able or has the potential to heal itself naturally, without drugs, without surgery. We all know. You guys can finish this. You guys can finish this statement for me. If I said drugs only blank the pain, what would go in the blank? You got it. Mask. You all knew that. All thousands of you that are watching this video said mask, right? You know drugs and medicine only cover up symptoms. They only mask the pain, right? But chiropractic is so different because it works with the body's innate intelligence, the intelligence that's in the body that controls and directs all of the regulation or all of the healing that goes on inside of your body. Now, let me explain. So the healing process is a complex series of events that happens in your body. So let's just say you are playing a sport and you roll your ankle and you injure your ankle, right? So there's a series of events that have to happen on the inside of your body. It's just so cool to be able to heal that injury. So the healing process involves three main phases. The first phase is the inflammation phase. The second phase is the repair phase. And then the third phase is the remodeling phase. So during the inflammation phase, what happens is your body immediately responds to the injury by causing inflammation or swelling. Guys, I know you all hate it. And the inflammation, by the way, that's the pain that you feel. That's what's causing the pain. So when you come in to my office and you say, Doc, I have pain right here, right? That's because there was some kind of injury that caused inflammation, and the inflammation is what's registering in your brain as pain, okay? Now the inflammation, I know you guys are not going to want to hear this, but the inflammation is good. Why is the inflammation good? Why? Because inflammation brings blood. And what does blood bring with it? Blood brings a bunch of vitamins, minerals, nutrients, and oxygen that starts the process of healing the damaged tissue, right? Starts the process of healing damaged tissue. So I have a question for you. I have a really dumb question for you. If inflammation is good, then why do we take drugs and medication to stop the inflammation? All right, that's a rhetorical question. You guys manage that one on your own. The second step, or the second phase to healing, of course, is the repair. So the repair phase is where new tissues form. So the old tissue that's damaged, this takes time. The old tissue dies off. It actually sloughs off. You actually have cells in your body that eats that dead tissue away. It's really gross. I don't like to think about it, but that's actually what happens. And new cells emerge. And hopefully the new cells that are emerging are healthy cells. And then the third phase is the remodel phase. So the remodel phase is where the newly formed tissue is getting strengthened and restoring function back to that body part, whatever that may be, whether that's the ankle, the heart, the liver, the kidney, the lung, and that's how healing happens. So all the healing that goes on inside of your body is under the direct control of the brain and of the nervous system. And in some future videos, keep looking for them. I want you guys to look out for them. We're going to talk about how the brain and the nervous system is responsible for controlling all of those three phases, and how actually having a clear communication link between your brain and your body will actually promote healing way faster, not just in your extremities like your wrists and your ankles, but also healing to damaged tissue throughout the core of the body, ligaments, tissues, organs, cells, you name it. It all gets healed by the brain and by the nervous system. So keep a lookout for some future videos. We're going to teach you how that actually happens. We're going to teach you the science behind it.